Hello, Caroline. This is Josh. I just wanted to let you know I just watched your video, and since you did a response to mine, I figured it'd be nice if I did a response to yours. And I absolutely agree with you. I think your topic and my topic go hand in hand with one another. Biodiversity is just as important in deer overpopulation as it is with greenhouse gases in yours. Completely separate things that can happen, but both can affect the biodiversity of our ecosystem and our planet as a whole. What I liked is you kept it simple. Stuff that we've learned in high school and even some of our college courses if we've taken it. Even in elementary school. And when you did your little topic, and your exercise, I did the same thing. Just like with you took out your dog. I'm sure as you've seen, you saw my little one of our cats run around. I took out our cats in my family, and it was very much the same thing. It was much more empty than before, and I think you did a great job of eliciting that emotion, at least from me. And I think that's the important part is if you can elicit an emotional response that shows something needs to be done, then you've done your job to try and get people to understand. And I think what was great about that is that simple response of missing something in your life. So once again, just wanted to say, great topic. I think it was informative. I think it was straightforward. I think it was simple, which is what a lot of people need to really kind of get your message across. Because if it's too complicated, nobody's going to want to understand it. Some people aren't. Some people do. Some people don't. But it was simple, informative, and quick. And so, yeah. So have a good day.